Polycet 2017 World Question Paper Physics Part Explanation. It is a Part 1 video from 61 question to 75 question. So in this video we can explain from 61 question to 75. So you can see the first question. Which among the following substance has higher specific heat? But you know, kerosene, mercury and copper, all these are having specific heats lower than 1. Only water has higher specific heat, which is 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. 62 students. Value of temperature of minus 25 degrees Celsius in Kelvin scale. 62 we are going to do now. 62. Temperature is given in Celsius, that is minus 25 degrees Celsius. So what is the value of this temperature in Kelvin? That is, we want to find K. So we know the formula for conversion of temperature from Celsius into Kelvins. C by 100 is equals to K minus 273 by 100. 100 cancel. This implies C value is minus 25 is equals to K minus 273. So then changing this minus 273 position from here to here, it is minus 25 plus 273 is equals to K. That is 273 minus 25. 8. 6 minus 2 means 4. That is 245. So K is equals to 248 kelvins. Now we can see the options. So you can see the options, students. 248 kelvins, 25 kelvins, 273 kelvins and 298. So this is the option. Next, evaporation of liquid takes place at bottom, middle, surface, edges. From the definition of evaporation of the liquid takes place from only surface. That is why it is a surface phenomena. Evaporation is a surface phenomena. Next, 64th students. Angle of incidence of a light ray on a plane surface is 30 degrees. That is, angle of incidence is 30 degrees. Then angle of reflection also 30 degrees from laws of reflection. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. That is why 64th one 30 degrees. Next, nature of image formed by a concave mirror when the light is placed between the mirror and focus. It is a virtual image and erected image. But mirrors topic there in a 9th class physics students. Reflection of light at curved surfaces. So there this topic you can understand. Next, radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 50 centimeter, then focal length. 66th students. 66th one. Radius is given 50 centimeter. Then we want to find focal length. So for a concave mirror, radius is given 50 centimeter. What is the focal length? We know radius and focal length are given by the relation. Radius is equals to 2 times the focal length. Then focal length is equals to half of the radius, that is r by 2. So f is equals to 50 by 2, that is 25 centimeter. So you can see the option. 66th one students, 25 centimeter. This is. Next, watchmaker uses dash to repair. So watch repairer and watchmaker can use convex lens because it forms a bigger and virtual image also, virtual and bigger image, magnified and virtual image. With this principle, watch repairer and watch maker can use convex lens. 68th one, students. The graph between potential difference taken on x-axis and current on y-axis for an iron spoke is at constant temperature gives what is that. So for iron spoke, so the graph is drawn between potential difference and current. So what kind of graph we can get? 68th one, students. 68th. It is x-axis, potential difference is taken, and it is a y-axis, current value is taken, and it is the horizon. So the graph is the graph drawn between V and I for iron spoke is a constant. So this graph is a straight line coming from horizon, because iron spoke is a ohmic conductor. So you can see the options, students. So straight line parallel to x-axis, straight line parallel to y-axis, straight line passing through horizon. This is the graph. Resistance of a material depends on temperature, length, cross-sectional area. That is why all the above. Resistance of a material depends on temperature of the conductor, length of the conductor, and also cross-sectional area of the conductor. Next one, 70, students. If a charge Q is moving against the electric force Fe through a distance d between the terminals, then EMF. What is EMF? 70 question, students. 70. So EMF is also denoted by E or V, which is nothing but work done by charge. But you know, work done is nothing but force into distance, force into displacement. But here what kind of force? Here what kind of force is? Electric force Fe, and distance is d. That is why, so it is written as F into S by Q, but F is electric force and S means distance d, and this is a formula for EMF. So now you can see the options. So FED by Q, students. FED by Q. This is the formula. This is next. 71, students. Two resistors of value X and 3X are connected in parallel combination. Their effective resistance. So we want to calculate. 71. Two resistors are given. R1 is X and R2 is given as X by 2, students. Both are connected in parallel. What is the effective resistance? We want to calculate. We know the formula 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. That is, these two resistors are connected in parallel. We want to find effective resistance or total resistance in parallel. In parallel combination, 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This implies 1 by R is equals to R1 means X, R2 means X by 2. So this implies 1 by X, and this is a denominator becomes a numerator plus 2 by X. So LCM is X, then it will be 1 plus 2 by X, that is 3 by X. Then we want R but not 1 by R. That is why 1 by R is written as R by 1. Reciprocal we are taking, reversing, then it will be reversed. That is X by 3. So therefore R is X by 3. Now we can see the options, students. So you can see here option X by 3. And here this is solution. Next one, students. An electric bulb is marked 40 watts and 120 volts. So it means that in 1 second it converts. So it converts how many joules of electrical energy into heat or light energy. Power is a given 40 watts. So 72, students. 72 power of the electric bulb is a given 40 watts. We know that power is equals to work done by time. Power unit is watt. 1 watt is equals to work is a joule, 1 joule per second. So 40 watts means 1 watt is equals to joule per second. That is why it is 40 joule per second. So you can see the options. 120 joules of electrical energy into heat or light, 40 joules of electrical energy into heat or light. This is 40 watts means 40 joules per second. So 40 watts power bulb can convert. So 40 watts into 40 joules of electrical energy, or that is into heat energy or light energy. So next to 73 students, the quantity which has SI unit coulomb. SI unit of coulomb is electric charge. Electric charge has a SI unit coulomb. Next to refractive index of material is 2 given. Then critical angle we want to calculate. So critical angle students, 74th one, 74. Refractive index n is 2 given. We want to find critical angle C. So we know that sin C is equals to 1 by n. Then C is equals to sin inverse of 1 by n. So C is equals to sin inverse of n value is given, that is 1 by 2. N value is given 1 by 2. So this is sin inverse of 1 by 2 critical angle. C is equals to sin inverse of 1 by 2. Next, 75 students. 75. Total internal reflection in a diamond makes a shine because critical angle is very low. You know diamond has a higher refractive index and lower critical angle. Critical angle of diamond is 24.4. So this is a smaller value. That is why, so total internal reflection takes place inside the diamond. It makes a shine. So remaining questions from 76 to 90 in the next video students.